Hello friends, my name is Ramasu. Today we shall discuss our topic project constraint. Friend, today's topic is very interesting, especially if you have interest in project management or you are planning to give exam of PMP in near future. So let's start, friend. Friend, project constraints are basically the limitations or the restriction that impact how a project can be carried out. You can just think of them as the rules or the boundaries within which the project needs to be completed. So these are the boundaries which you cannot cross beyond. Okay, so you have to complete the work within those boundaries or within those limitations. So first one is the time. Actually, these constraints relate to the project schedule. It defines what the project should start and end. Okay, missing deadlines can lead to the penalties or missed opportunities as well. Sometimes it happens that in the contract or the agreements it is mentioned that, for example, if the project not completed 1 year, so you have to pay for some penalty. So imagine you are planning a birthday party. You need to have everything ready by the date of the birthday. If the cake arrives late or the invitations are sent out too late, the party could be spoiled. Just think of that, friend. For example, if the cake not arrive on time on the birthday party, so obviously it will become a huge problem for you. Then cost. This constraint involves the budget allocated for the project. It includes all the financial resources required to complete the project. Suppose you have $200 to organize the birthday party. This budget needs to cover the cost of the cake, decoration, venue, and any entertainment. If you spend too much on the cake, you might not have enough left for other essentials. Then a scope. Scope defines what is included in the project and what is not. It outlines all the tasks, deliverables, and work that needs to be completed. For the birthday party, the scope might include arranging for food, decoration, games, invitations. If you start adding more activities like hiring a magician or renting a bouncy castle, the scope increase, which could affect the time and cost. So obviously you have to be remain in the scope and complete the activities accordingly. Then quality. This constraint is about the standards of the project deliverables must meet. Ensuring quality often requires extra time and resources. For example, you want the birthday cake to taste good and look nice. If you rush the baking process or hire a cheap baker, the cake might not turn out well, affecting the quality of the party. Then resources. Resources include the people, equipment, material, and anything else required to complete the project. Limited resources can constrain the project. For example, just take an example like you are arranging the birthday party. So if only two friends are available to help you set up the party, you might be limited in what you can do. Obviously, you can only achieve those tasks which you can done through only two people. You can't decorate the whole venue quickly if you don't have enough hands to help. So obviously resources is also a very big limitation. Then risk are potential problems that might affect the project. Managing risk involves planning for possible issues and having strategies to handle them if they occur. For example, a risk for the birthday party could be bad weather if it's planned outdoor. To manage the risk, you could have a backup plan to move the party indoor. Okay, so when managing a project, you need to balance all these constraints. They often impact each other. For instance, if you want to increase the quality, like that means better cake, you might need a more time or a higher budget or cost. Expanding the scope, more activities at the party could require more resources and time. Reducing cost might affect the quality and the scope as well. So, project constraints are like the rules and limits you have to work within to complete a project successfully. They include time, cost, scope, quality, resources, and risk. Understanding and balancing these constraints help ensure that a project is completed on time, within budget, and the required standards as well. So, friend, Thanks a lot for watching this video. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please share it with your friends and colleagues, and thanks a lot for watching.